So if you want to stick around and see how I turn this into this, my magic helmet again. So if you want to see how I took it from there and turned it into this, come on in, watch the video, and let's get this done. This is the pre-cut wood in the brackets for the shelf. All right, now let's do a little test fit and see if this will work. Proof of concept. So, do proof of concept. Routine to do anything smartly. There we go. All right. So now we need screws. Crack the wood. Like it. All right. Locked in place. Should be able to do this and this. Hang it here. Not too much of a problem. All right, right in there. It smells like burning wood down here. As you can see, I drilled a hole and then I just sanded it out with my Dremel. So it should be right where we need it to be. Sweetness. So this can be put anywhere. Anywhere here. I was gonna, we might shift that. Actually, I might use that just as a spacer. Hope they're close to perfect. Oh, okay. So I'm supposed to do that. All right. All right. Oh, it looks pretty good to me. Pre-drilled the holes. Now, back in. There we go. Okay, so where are the screws? So they do wiggle a little bit. Yeah, I was almost going to collapse this while those are still on top. That would have been funny. Not bad. So, hole missing that's supposed to be right here for the exhaust. Well, not the exhaust, but the for the wet dry valve. All right. All right. That off. Let's see how bad it is. Take you down and give it a little look-see. Is it pretty? No, but I can get to the. I can get to it now. So that's well done. Yep. Wow. This is the second time actual decent measuring. I'm proud of myself. TableSaw into a nice little TableSaw workbench. Thank you for joining me on working with what you have. Just thinking outside the box as I try to do. And I want to thank you all for being here, watching my video. Thank you for, I have now 62 subscribers. I want to thank you all for subscribing. I hope you're enjoying my videos, and I'll see you all in the future.